Lily Ratna Sulastrini. My student ID is 1212473462 and my class code is BL102D. And this is my presentation about noise. In common use, the word noise means any unwanted sound. In both analog and digital electronic, noise is an unwanted perturbation to a wanted signal. It is called noise as generation of the audible noise heard when listening to a wake radio transmission. Although noise commonly defined is unwanted sound, it is widely recognized from of pollution. It is very difficult to measure because its discomfort experienced by different individuals is highly subjective and therefore variable. Unlike the A's, which can be covered by the eyelids against strong light, the car has no lid and is therefore always open and vulnerable. Noise penetrates without protection. Because noise is unavoidable in a complex industrial society, we are constantly responding in the same ways that the world responded to danger. Recently, researchers have concluded that noise and our response might be much more than anyone's. Thanks for watching.